Hello YouTube, this is my second attempt on making a bike check here today, and this is my premium Guttershark bicycle. I did the unboxing video which got a bunch of views and everybody told me to make a bike check, so why not? So let me just place my bike on some Jesus Fish Lady car. Okay, 21-inch top tube, 3 pounds 12 ounces, really expensive. I got my nice Welgo white pedals here, my Eastern stealth cranks, right hand drive because I'm such a cool kid. I got a profile back wheel laced to a Odyssey hazard light rim. It's very nice. I have Eastern pinner seat. It sucks. Seatpost, don't even know what it is. I have S&M Grand Slam XLT bars, 27 ounces. They're very nice. I said that. I have Edwin grips. They're red and comfy. I have the Fit Blade forks with no stickers on it, so yeah, that's them. I got a profile front hub laced to some premium rim. I'm not really sure what it is, but it's aerodynamic and we'll just go with that. And I have a crappy Eastern headset from my old bike because I'm po and I can't really afford anything. I have a Shadow Interlock V2 chain on there, which is too old and really needs to die. The metal bike, what is that, the metal Bodega sprocket? Yeah, metal Bodega 25 tooth sprocket in black and silver. It's pretty cute. And the Eastern choker stem from one of my older bikes as well. And then I got these wonderful clear Barends from, what are they? Snafu, yeah, that's it. They're awesome. If you should get Barends, get clear ones. They're amazing. And this frame, which is pretty much the highlight of the whole video here. It's got gyro tab thingy. My friend kind of stole them on me. It's got all the cable guides too. It's got removable brake mounts. Wow, I can't say anything today. Integrated Seatpost clamp, and yeah, it's just amazing all around. It's really thin. If you ever get this frame, which I recommend getting because it's light, it's thin, it's low, and it's just all around nice. And that is my bicycle check. Enjoy, comment, rate. Good ratings, please. And haters, feel free to hate. You know, just troll it up. Bye.